Haven't cleaned your Gobo in a while? Here's how to do it right. What you need is moisture-free compressed air, pure alcohol, a slotted screwdriver, pliers, a clean glove, and a lint-free microfiber cloth. Don't use your shirt, I see you. Safety first. Unplug the fixture and give it time to cool. No hot surfaces allowed. Remove the housing carefully and please follow the manual. We're cleaning, not breaking things. Make sure to unplug the connection. Take out the Gobo unit and place it on a safe and soft ground. Use compressed air to clear loose particles. You can remove the single Gobos by slightly lifting and pulling them out with your pliers. To clean the wheels, take the microfiber cloth and dampen it slightly with pure alcohol. Not dripping wet, just a whisper of moisture. Clean the Gobos carefully. Gentle pressure, steady hand. No soaking, no scrubbing like it's a barbecue grill. If you want to change your Gobo, now is the right time. Just take it out and carefully insert the new one. And by the way, if the unit is already dismantled, you can clean the color wheel the same way. Make sure everything is clean, dry and residue free. Reassemble your fixture and that's it.